What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to balance this chemical equation. We have SC2O3 plus SO3 gives SC2SO4 So I start with SC. SC is balanced. We have two of them here and two of them here. That's balanced. What about sulfur? Sulfur we have one here and we have three in here. So I make it 3. So now sulfur is balanced as well. What about oxygen? Oxygen, we have 3 in this side. 3 times 3, 9. 12 on the reactant side. And on the product side, we have 3 times 4, 12. So the whole equation is balanced. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.